Good morning children. Welcome to today's EVS class. From today's class we are going to learn block 6 children. Today's class we learn about daily meals. So what do you mean by that? The food what we eat daily. That's what we are going to learn. You can see this picture. You can see 3 different blocks, right children? And also you see some words given. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. What are these children? These are the different meals we eat in a day. So we are going to learn about that only. Is it not interesting children? Let us get started. Aim of today's class is, we already know that we eat different types of food. Today we will identify that we eat 3 meals in a day. So meals means what children? The main food what we eat in a day. So let us try to understand how many meals do we eat and how it should be. See, we have 2 keywords for today's class. Snacks, a very familiar word for you know children. Snacks, that means what? Small meals eaten between large meals. The main meals, your parents might be saying don't eat too much of snacks. Why children? Because they are not the main meals. They are the small meals eaten between the large main course food. And spelling S-N-A-C-K-S, snacks means small meals eaten between large meals. Then meal, what do you mean by meal? They are good amount of food usually eaten at a fixed time of a day. Yes, at homes they will be saying no. So it is becoming late. You have to eat your breakfast or lunch or dinner. Why? Because we have a fixed time for eating the main course of food. That is called as the meals. Snacks and meals, both are the food only, but snacks are the small meals which we eat, and meal means it is the large or a good amount of food, main food we eat in a day. To try to understand that, let us do one simple activity. Here is a boy, you see here is a boy called Billy. Yes, so Billy is your friend. So now you are in your EVS notebook, you are going to draw 3 plates like this children. Like this you will draw the 3 plates. This is for Billy, okay? Morning, afternoon and night. So now you start drawing. In every plate, what are you going to give Billy to eat in the morning, afternoon and night? What is that called children? Morning what we eat, what is that called? Very good, it's a breakfast. Afternoon, it's the lunch. Night, it is the dinner. So now you start filling children, at least 2 or 3 you draw what he has to take. Because food we eat is very, very important. No children, why? Food only will give you energy to do the work. Food will help you to grow nicely, and also food will keep you healthy. So think all this in mind and draw the healthy food to be given to the Billy so that he will be happy and he will be healthy. Now I hope that you all might have drawn, some of you might have drawn idli, dosa, cornflakes, bread for the morning, even some of you might have drawn egg and milk also. Good children. Now for the afternoon, I hope that you might have drawn rice with curry, potato curry or ladies finger curry, chicken curry, and also some fruit salads, and even rotis can be eaten. Roti also can be eaten children in the afternoon. Now night time, yes, you all might have, or some of you might have drawn rice and dal, some of you might have drawn roti and dal along with the soup, which is the light food. So generally in the morning and afternoon we eat heavy lunch. Yes children, it will cover so many different things which we need, our body needs. But night time will give for easily digestible so that we can sleep well and will be healthy. Yes, you all might have filled the plates wonderfully, I know that. Let us watch this video to understand better.
We eat different meals in a day. We eat foods like bread and butter, cornflakes with milk, eggs and parathas for breakfast. We eat foods like dosa, chapatis, vegetables, pulses, chicken and curd for lunch. We eat foods like fish, rice, salad, bread and soup for dinner. We also eat peanuts, corn and belpuri as snacks.
Yeah, children, did you enjoy watching the different types of food items? Yes. Why does the plate you served Billy in the morning look different from the plate you served him at night? Yes, we filled the plates, right? We did not draw the same type of food, no children, all the three times. Why did we fill different way? Even in that video you saw different food items have been displayed, no? Yes, very good. Why? Because we serve different foods, because we usually eat different things in the morning, afternoon and night. We eat heavy breakfast, right? And also heavy lunch in the afternoon, but the dinner will be light, no children? These are the three meals that we should all eat during the day. Some may eat even 4 meals as per their age. Now, what are the different meals we eat, children? Yeah, that is the breakfast, lunch and dinner. Breakfast, when do we eat? In the morning. Generally, what we eat, children? Bread, butter, milk, idli, dosa, cornflakes. Even some of them eat egg and egg omelette and just milk, some fruits, even rotis, parathas we'll eat in the breakfast, as breakfast. Now in the lunch time, we'll eat generally rice with different types of vegetable curry. Pulses means dal, chicken, curd, salads, all will be eaten as the lunch. The third meal we eat at night is called the dinner, no children? We eat rotis, breads, vegetables and soups and salads, which will be very light so that we can digest easily. So these are the three important meals, main meals of the day. What are they? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Did all of you think of the same breakfast and lunch for Billy? All of us will think the same, children? No, because we eat different types of food. If you are eating idli for breakfast, your friend might be eating dosa, other friend might be eating bread, other one may be eating the cornflakes. So our food habits differs from this. Already we learned in the family lesson also, no? We eat different things for breakfast, lunch and dinner. This is because we are all different. We like different foods. Even in the same family, members eat. Your grandparents will be eating soft food. Your sibling who is a small baby will be eating different food. So among the family also, our eating habit differs as per our age and also our likings, children. Yes. Now it is the time for us to see what. Let us see, children, what is given in the content book. Block 6, Lesson 1, LP1. We eat at least 3 meals a day, breakfast, lunch and dinner. We eat different foods in each meal. See the picture, children? Breakfast, meal in the morning. Examples you see, the pictures and also the words. Bread and butter, milk and cornflakes, eggs and fruit. See the lunch, children? Pictures and the words. Examples, breads, vegetables, curd or rice and pulses. Dinner you see, children? Pancakes, salad, vegetables and pasta. Pancakes are like our roti, children. So 3 meals a day, breakfast, lunch and the dinner, the main meals of a day. So now let us see here, children, about the snacks also. See the next page. Food between meals called as snacks. So what we can eat as snacks? The nuts, dry fruits, corn, bananas can be eaten. But if suppose a baby is there at home, the eating habit of a baby will be different. Babies cannot be given all hard food, no children. We have to give very soft food and they will be eating many times a day. Different family members will eat different, even they like the different food. As per their age, the eating habit also differs. That is what given here. Food that a baby eats is different from the food that we eat. Babies eat many times during the day. Different families eat different foods. People of different ages also eat different meals. Yes. Now children, this is what we discussed while we were watching the video also. Now you see the practice questions. See the practice question, children. First question, tick the food usually we eat for the breakfast. See the options: bread and butter, kidney beans, vegetables and rice, oats, bananas and milk. Yes, bread and butter we'll eat. Sometimes even we'll have the oats and bananas. Very good. Now the second and third question. Second question, see, name the foods you love to eat for lunch. Third question, you see, draw 2 plates and draw 2 different types of food you would eat for the dinner. So that together you can combine and you can draw 3 plates. This is for the lunch. That is the second question. That is the second question, children. You can complete. And third one, For the dinner, what do you like to eat? For example, roti means roti, you draw and you write roti. Yes, rice means rice bowl, you draw and you write. This is up to you. Seeing the pictures given in the content book, you can complete this children. Now let us see what is given in our workbook. Please take open the workbook. Daily meals, write the date. Name a food you like to eat. So you are going to name it, not you are going to draw. For example, if it is roti, you will write roti inside. Yes, children. Now, complete the table. We eat in the morning, we eat in the afternoon, we eat at night. Our meal is called. What is the meal called, children? Very good. That is the breakfast. In the morning, we call it as breakfast, main meal. Afternoon, we call it as lunch. Night, we call it as dinner. So that should come in the first line of the tabular column. Second, see another question. What did you eat yesterday? So this is up to you. You will fill it with the food item what you ate as dinner in the night time, yesterday night. Not only that, you will eat breakfast, lunch and the dinner. Next you see children. Read about the two meals. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Meal 1 is pancake, that is rotis, vegetables and pasta. Meal 2 is mashed bananas. So meal 1 is for the child who is 7 months or 6 years old children. 7 months what he will prefer to eat, what we have to give. Very good. So it is for the 6 years. First one is for 6 years, right? Meal 1. Meal 2 children, it is for the 7 months old baby because mashed banana will be very soft. That only should be given for the baby who is very, very small. Yes. So such an interesting lesson, no children? So you will, as usual, you will read the content book. You will observe the pictures. Try to understand try to learn the spellings of breakfast, lunch and dinner, and also some of the meals, that also spellings you should know, like bread, butter, roti, like that, rice, pulses and all. Then you complete the given word and be ready for the next class children. Bye bye children.